Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vegetable choppers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay? So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bliss 3-piece spice shredder. While technically not a vegetable chopper, this compact and stylish shredder is perfect for shredding herbs and smaller ingredients. Its knurled top ensures a strong grip, making it easy to operate, even if you're multitasking in the kitchen. The robust aluminum build is incredibly durable, and the magnetic seal keeps your shredded herbs secure, ensuring minimal mess. Performance-wise, the Bliss shredder is ideal for those who want a quick solution for preparing herbs and spices. It features adjustable shredding options, allowing you to customize textures for different dishes. The compact size is travel-friendly, making it a great companion for outdoor cooking or trips. However, it's less versatile compared to other choppers on this list, as it's primarily focused on herbs rather than vegetables. If you're looking for a budget-friendly shredder with a sleek design and excellent build quality, this is an excellent pick. It's not a multifunctional chopper, but for its specific purpose, it excels. Pros include its compact design and ease of use, while cons are its limited functionality for larger vegetables. Coming in at number 4 is the Eusin 12-in-1 multifunctional food chopper, our budget option at just $9.99. Despite the low price, this chopper is packed with features, including 7 blades for slicing, dicing, grating, and shredding. It even includes extras, like an egg separator and a water filter basket for rinsing your chopped veggies. The durable ABS and stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the non-slip base provides safety during use. Performance-wise, this chopper gets the job done for basic meal prep. It's perfect for slicing and dicing vegetables like carrots, onions, and potatoes, making it ideal for salads and stir-fries. However, it lacks the high-end feel and razor-sharp precision of premium options. The hand-wash-only design and lack of dishwasher compatibility may be a drawback for some users. If you're on a tight budget and need a simple yet functional vegetable chopper, the Eusin 12-in-1 is a great pick. Pros include its affordability and versatile blade options, while cons are its less durable build and manual cleaning requirements. At the number 3 spot, we have the Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer. This mid-range option combines affordability with versatility, offering 9 interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing, grating, and shredding. It even includes specialized tools like a dedicated cucumber slicer and grape cutter, making it one of the most feature-packed choppers on this list. The high-quality stainless steel blades deliver excellent cutting performance. While the compact design saves counter space, user experience is smooth thanks to the included food holder, which prevents slipping and ensures safety while cutting. The dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless, and the complimentary scrubbing fork adds convenience. However, at 2.23 pounds, it's slightly heavier than comparable models, and the rectangular blade shape may require extra effort for harder vegetables. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable chopper without breaking the bank, the Mueller Mandolin Slicer is a solid choice. Pros include its multifunctionality and ease of cleaning, while cons are its slightly bulky size and blade limitations for tougher veggies. Taking the number 2 spot is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. This 4-in-1 kitchen essential is a favorite among TikTok users, thanks to its simplicity and efficiency. The heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades deliver crisp and smooth cutting performance for a variety of vegetables. The BPA-free construction includes a soft grip handle and a non-skid rubberized base for added stability, making it perfect for both novice and experienced cooks. The standout feature here is the catch tray, which eliminates mess and makes meal prep more convenient. It's dishwasher safe, saving time on cleanup, and the compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. While it lacks the sheer number of blade options seen in other models, its focus on quality and ease of use makes it worth the premium price. If you're looking for a high-performance chopper that's easy to use and maintain, the Fullstar vegetable chopper delivers. Pros include its sturdy build, ergonomic design, and mess-free operation, while cons are its limited blade variety and higher price point. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 vegetable chopper, the ultimate choice for versatile and high-quality meal prep. This premium model includes 8 interchangeable blades for chopping, slicing, julienning, grating, and shredding, covering all your kitchen needs. Its stainless steel blades are razor-sharp, ensuring precise cuts every time, while the sturdy food container allows for mess-free operation. Designed with busy lifestyles in mind, this chopper significantly reduces meal prep time, making it easier to incorporate healthy ingredients into your dishes. The dishwasher-safe design and complementary scrubbing fork simplify cleanup, while its compact size makes storage convenient. The ergonomic design ensures safety and comfort during use, although its 2.46-pound weight might feel bulky for some users. If you want the best of the best, the Mueller Pro Series is the chopper to beat. Pros include its unmatched versatility, high-quality build, and ease of cleaning, while cons are its slightly higher price and heavier weight compared to other models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.